Hey everyone, we have Didier and Frank brand cocoa powder and I actually made pancake using it, so let's check it out. This is 80-gram pack, MRP is 199 and we got it from Amazon for 148. I have put the link in the description box and it comes in a paper pack, has a shelf life of 2 years. Now this is a pure cocoa powder and it has zero added sugar and it is 100% unsweetened cocoa. So the color is truly rich, deep dark brown and the powder is incredibly fine and smooth, and the aroma, you get a very rich dark chocolate like scent right away, and you can make your chocolate shakes with this. I use it to make pancakes, so let's check it out the recipe. So first I took some wheat flour and sifted it. Next take some powdered sugar, sift that as well, and this helps making the pancake nice and bubbly. Now add 1 spoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt and some baking soda, then mix all the dry ingredients together. And I have prepared the mixture of 1 egg and milk, and now add this to the dry ingredient and mix it gently, and at last we are going to add ghee or oil and then again mix it. Now heat a non-stick pan and at the center just pour 1 ladle full of batter, and once you see the bubbles popping up on the top, flip it over and cook the other side. Likewise, you can cook many other pancakes and you can use this cocoa powder in so many different things. Overall, the product is really good. I have no complaints at all. And if you want that guilt-free raw dark chocolate taste, then this one is absolutely best option. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.